Very good. Yesterday, I finished 1.5 page and we were discussing about. Yesterday, we were discussing about the Harappan civilization. Today, I shall continue from page number 6, point number 2, the citadel. The raised area of each city was called the citadel. It owned its height to the buildings constructed on mud brick platform. The platform that which was made of mud and mud brick platform. The citadel had the houses of the ruling class and important buildings like the great bath, the granary where they were putting their grains, the assembly hall where they were worshipping the God Almighty, and the workshops. The citadel points to the elaborate planning that went into the development of cities and justifies that the Harappan civilization was an urban civilization. Harappan civilization was an urban civilization. The presence of specific buildings and houses of the ruling class indicate some sort of social classification. Seals, another source of the information, another medium of information about the Indus Valley civilization, about the Harappan civilization. The seals used by the Harappans shows their artistic skills. When you will see the seals which were found during the excavation of the Harappan civilization, you will find that they are skilled in art. They are well versed in artistic skills. About 2,000 seals have been discovered. Of these, a great majority comprise short inscriptions with pictures of the one-horned bull, buffalo, tiger, goat, elephant, and rhinoceros. On the seals, different kinds of animals pictures you will find there. Material used in making the seals comprise terracotta, statite, agate, etc. Most of the seals are rectangular, are square, but some of them are circular in size, circular in shape. Harappan seals provide useful information about the script, trade, religion, and beliefs of the Harappans. Seals of Pasupati, you will find the picture of Pasupati on the seals which were found by the historians during the excavation. Okay, seals of a Pasupati shows that people believed in Lord Shiva. It shows a three-faced deity wearing a buffalo horned head dress, seated cross-legged on a throne and surrounded by an elephant, a tiger, a buffalo, and a rhinoceros, with two deer at his feet. This deity has been identified as Pasupati, Mahadeva. The unicorn seals, the unicorn seals shows their mythical beliefs. Unicorn seals, on the unicorn seals, you will find an animal that only exists in stories. That's why mythical word is used here. An animal that only exists in stories, that looks like a white horse with one horn growing out of its forehead. You can see the picture below given in your book there. Okay, unicorn seals. Okay, the unicorn seals shows their mythical beliefs. The seals bear some kind of script which has not yet been deciphered. The seals were used by traders to stamp their goods. After a bag with goods was tied, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot, and the seal was pressed on it. These seals were found in different regions. This indicates that the Harappan trade had spread over a vast area. While they were trading with each other, they were exchanging those seals. Okay, and on those seals, pictures were engraved pictures were engraved. Okay, pictures of different animals: buffalo, rhinoceros, elephant, tiger, with the two deer at his feet. Such kind of pictures were engraved there on the seals. Bearded man, another source of our information about Harappan civilization. Okay, the stone sculpture of a man with a beard was discovered from Mohenjo-daro. The picture is given here in your book, bearded man's picture. Another source of information about Harappan civilization. Another source of information about the Indus Valley civilization. The stone sculpture of a man with a beard was discovered from Mohenjo-daro. The statue has a shawl worn over the left shoulder, and the eyes were half closed. Therefore, some scholars believe that this is the statue of a yogi. This sculpture is of high artistic value and points to the existence of skilled artisans in the Harappan civilization. Dancing girl, another source of our information. The bronze statue of a dancing girl, was found by the historians during the excavation. So the bronze statue of a dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro is a masterpiece of art, and it shows a high degree of development in the art of sculpture. The dancing girl, the statue, the bronze statue of a dancing girl, which was found at Mohenjo-daro, Really, it is a masterpiece of art of the people of the Harappan civilization. It shows a high degree of a development in the art of sculpture. The figurine, okay, the figurine, a statue, especially one of a human form, shows vigor, shows variety, and shows ingenuity. Ingenuity, creative thinking, imagination, inventiveness of the people of the Harappan civilization. It shows that the people of the Harappan civilization were talented. They are well versed in the art of sculpture. They knew a lot of things about the about sculpture, and this is the best example. The bronze statue of a dancing girl is the best example of their sculpture. The right arm of the dancing girl rests on the hip, and the left arm is heavily bangled. It holds a small bowl against her left leg. Dockyard, another source of our information. A rectangular dockyard was discovered at Lothal in Gujarat. It was surrounded by a massive brick wall, probably as a protection against floods. The dockyard made of baked bricks was connected by channels to the Gulf of Cambay. Lothal was an important trading and manufacturing center of the Indus Valley civilization and was used for carrying out overseas trade. Script. The Harappans used a script. The Harappan used a script which is regarded as pictographic since its signs represent birds, fish, and varieties of human form. The number of signs of Harappan script is known to be between 375 and 400. Okay, you can see in the picture, different kinds of pictures are engraved on their script. Okay, that was a pictographic. Some pictures were made, some signs were made, but still now the pictographic sign is not read by the historians still now. This is still the historians are trying to read and try to find out the hidden meaning of those pictures, those signs, those symbols, but they did not get success still now. The script is found inscribed on a number of seals. On a number of seals, you will find such kind of pictures, copper tools, rims of jars, copper and terracotta tablets, jewelry, and on an ancient signboards. Okay, origin of the civilization. There are several theories about the origin of the Harappan civilization. These can be categorized into two groups. First, foreign origin, and second, indigenous origin. Foreign origin. Some scholars believe that this civilization came into existence as a result of a sudden migration of people with an urban civilization to the Indus Basin. According to these scholars, the Harappan civilization was an offshoot of the Mesopotamian civilization. Yesterday, I told you uh, about Mesopotamian civilization, about Egypt civilization, about Chinese civilization. Okay, and in your about Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, and Harappan civilization. However, excavations at various Harappan sites have indicated striking differences between the Harappan and the Mesopotamian civilization. Some scholars also held the view that the trade with Mesopotamia played an important role in the transformation of the Harappan civilization. Trade was going on between the Harappan civilization and the Mesopotamian civilization. From the early stage to the mature phase. But this theory has been rejected on the ground that no evidence of a trade with Mesopotamia during the early Harappan period has been found. The scholar says, the historian says that a trade was going on between both the civilization, the Harappan civilization and the Mesopotamian civilization. But no evidence of a trade with Mesopotamia during the early Harappan period has been found still now. Indigenous origins. The recent researches shows that the roots of the Harappan civilization lie deep in the Indian soil. According to some historians, the urban Harappan culture was only an outgrowth of the extensive local village cultures and not of foreign origin. These cultures probably contributed to the growth of the Harappan civilization, together with the external stimulus provided by trade contacts with Mesopotamia. These historians found some marked similarities between pre-Harappan and proto-Harappan cultures at Kotji, Amri, and Kalibanga in terms of granary, defensive walls, and long-distance trade in these settlements. From this, historians concluded that the Harappan civilization evolved from these agricultural communities. Extent of the civilization. The entire area of the Harappan civilization is triangular. Triangular in shape. Okay. The entire area of the Harappan civilization is a triangular in shape and accounts for about 1.3 million square kilometer and was the largest area among the ancient civilization. Harappan civilization is the largest civilization. It extended from Sutkar-Jindor on the sea coast of South Baluchistan in the west to Alamgirpur in the upper Ganga Yamuna Doab in western UP in the east, and from Manda in Jammu in the north to Bhagatrao in Narmada estuary in the south. The Harappan culture covered parts of Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Baluchistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the fringes of western Uttar Pradesh. Consequent to the partition of India, the main centers of civilization, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudoro, and Sudkotra, are now in Pakistan. Some of the centers of this civilization in India are Manda, Banawali, Kalibangan, Alamgirpur, Lothal, Ropad, and Rangpur. In recent years, many more extensions of this civilization in Gujarat and Punjab have been discovered. Dholavira in Gujarat is the most prominent among them, the largest sites of the Harappan civilization. However, are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan, and Lothal. These four are the largest sites of the Harappan civilization, and they are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan, and Lothal. Urban planning. Okay. It is a urban civilization, urban planning, Harappan cities. Harappan cities, the two most important Harappan cities are Harappa in Montgomery district of Punjab and Mohenjo-daro in Larkana district of Sindh, now both in Pakistan. These two cities are linked by the river Indus, and hence the name of the civilization is the Indus Valley civilization. A third city lies at Chanhudaro, about 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro. The fourth city is at Lothal in Gujarat, at the head of the Gulf of Cambay. The fifth city lies in Kalibangan in northern Rajasthan, and the sixth, called Banawali, is situated in Hisar district in Haryana. The Harappan culture has been found in its mature and flourishing stage. When you will read the sources, when you will go back and see the sites of the Harappan civilization, you will find that it is a very developed civilization. It was a very developed civilization. It was a very flourished civilization. Okay. The Harappan culture has been found in its mature stage, flourishing stage, not only in these six cities, but also in the cities of Sudkotra, okay, and Sutka Janador, each of which has a site table. The later Harappan phase has also been discovered in Rangpur, in Kathiawad, in Gujarat. Features of urban planning. The most striking feature of the Harappan civilization is its urban planning. Urban planning of Harappan civilization is quite different from other civilizations of the world. It shows that they are skilled in planning. The most striking feature of the Harappan civilization is its urban planning. The Indus cities differed from the Sumerian cities in Mesopotamian civilization in modern Iraq. While the Sumerian cities developed around the temple and followed a circular pattern, the Indus cities followed a grid pattern. This is indicated by the regularity of the divisions, the alignment of streets, the planning of the houses, and public buildings with the provisions of thoroughfares, the roads. The main characteristics of two planning were the following. First one, each city was divided into two parts. The raised area called the citadel. I have already explained what is a citadel. And the lower area, the citadel owned its height to the buildings which were constructed on mud brick platforms. The citadel was separated from the lower town by a wall. The important buildings like the Great Bath, the granary, the assembly hall, the workshops were located on the citadel. The lower town had the residential buildings where the people lived and worked. And the second point of the good planning of the Harappan civilization, is the main streets followed a grid pattern. The main streets followed a grid pattern running from north to south or from east to west. Third point, the houses at street corners were rounded to allow cars to pass easily. Fourth point, the house drains emptied all wastewater into the street drains. Fifth point, the streets crossed the main road at right angles, dividing the city into square or rectangular blocks. The main characteristics of houses were the following. The residential buildings were built according to a set plan on a high mound in order to protect them from floods. Their foundations were deep. When you will see the residential building planning, when you will read between the lines the planning, city planning of the Harappan civilization, you will find that they were the best engineers. Okay, they were the best engineers, and by means of their engineering, they had made the plan of the city. The residential buildings were built according to a set plan on a high mound in order to protect them from floods. Their foundations were deep. There were variations in the size of houses from single room, tenements to bigger houses with courtyards up to 12 rooms, private wells and toilets. Each house had covered drains connected with street drains. The entrances to the houses were from the narrow lanes which cut the streets at right angles. The kitchen was placed in a sheltered corner of the courtyard, and the ground floor contained storerooms and well chambers. And the last point of their houses, the houses were made of brick and wood. Each house had doors, windows, and ventilators. Doors and windows were opened on the side of the streets and not on the main roads. Okay. Monumental architecture, I shall take up in the next class. Let us talk to the students. Dhruv Srivastava. Yes, Dhruv.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, in dancing girls, sir, in the seas, what is the meaning of deciphered?
Deciphered means still not read. most of the things are not red. So we are in a dark. We are in a dark. Still now we are in a dark. We did not know the exact things about the civilization.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next one, lower down your hand. Aditya Pratap. Yes, Aditya. Can you listen to me, Aditya? Yes, Aditya Pratap Chirania. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Aditya.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
So, what is the sir, in the Harappan civilization, the Pasupati shows that the people believe in Shiva.
Yes.
In the same way, the unicorn still show their mythical belief. What is the here meaning mythical belief?
I have already explained. Okay, the things which you will find in stories. Okay, when I was reading the unicorn still shows their mythical beliefs. Okay, an animal that only exists in stories. The things which you will find only in stories, those things are mythical. Okay, mythical beliefs that look like a white horse with one horn growing out of its forehead. Okay, those things
Okay,
are
sir.
mythical. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next one. Sudhanshu Mal.
Sir, I can't understand the dockyard.
Dockyard. Okay. Today I shall send you the video. Okay. Today or tomorrow you will get the video. Once again, see in a detail, you will find all the things. Clear? Next one. Bhavish Singh.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, I did not understand the script.
A script. Okay, tomorrow you will
Yes, sir.
get the video. Once again,
Okay.
you will see the video, then you will find. I think
Okay,
that
sir.
you joined a little late. Okay. Some students joined a little late. So I request all of you to join classes on time. Okay. And then it will be easy for you to listen. Unfortunately, if you didn't, due to some network issue, you are not active in the live class, then the next day you will get the video. Open that video and see once again. The things will be clear to you. Okay. Lower down your hand, Bhavish Singh and Dhruv Srivastava. Now next one. Aditya.
Sir Aradhya. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Aradhya.
Sir, what is the meaning of estuary?
Where it is?
On page number 9, third line. Narmada estuary.
Narmada estuary in the south, just like a tributary.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next one. Aradhya Pathak.
Sir, what is the meaning of implements?
Applied.
Sir, traits.
Where it is? Trades, business.
No, sir, business not.
Hmm.
Sir, page number 5. Sir, some of the traits which mark a civilization are.
Traits, characteristics, qualities, characteristics.
Okay, sir.
Soumya Dalmia. Yes, Soumya. Hello. Soumya Dalmia. You listen to me. Yes, Garima Pandey.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, what is the meaning of surplus food?
Surplus food means extra food. Means the food which they produced. Okay. Whatever
Yes,
they
sir.
used and what was left, that was surplus, extra. Okay. Surplus food, whatever surplus food they were selling, they were producing. Agriculture part of the Harappan civilization, we discussed yesterday. They were growing different kinds of grains in their farmhouse, in their by doing farming, they were growing different kinds of grains. Okay, those grains which we are using, they kept, and rest of the surplus food, surplus grains, they were selling. Okay, surplus food, surplus grains. Okay, next one. Jayawant Pratap Chirania. Hello. Jayawant Pratap Chirania. Can you listen to me? Jayawant. Now next one. Aditya Prajapati.
Hello.
Yes, Aditya.
Sir, one more doubt I have. Sir, you will give the question, sir, or we can write by your own.
I think that short answer type questions you will write yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, short answer type questions you will write yourself.
Okay, sir.
Rest
Thank
of
you,
the
sir.
questions I will give you a hint. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Next one. Soumya Dalmia. Yes,
Hello?
Soumya. Yes.
Sir, you took my name. Anybody make the ID with my name only?
Yes, I saw here.
Sir, anybody made with my name only. Sir, I not put that.
Listen. Those students who are doing such kind of thing, okay, I will tell the teachers who are coordinating this live class, and
Yes, sir.
next time they will be blocked.
Okay, sir.
So don't do such kind of things.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
It is my request to all of you, don't do such kind of mistake, otherwise you will be blocked. Okay, thank you.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, in our next class we shall continue from monumental architecture, and I hope that whatever I taught you, you see the videos, yesterday's videos I posted in the WhatsApp group. Open this and see. Those students who joined late, they can also see and try to clear your concept and the questions which are given here at the end. Okay, try to answer those questions. Thank you.